Guten Morgen, bonjour, hola, hello, hello. Ndraweni, nda, abjeni, hello, kaufela, dumelang, itada, jovijo, shabla, blah, 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 blah. Moving on. Constipation. We're talking today. Now, if you have this problem, a problem, means you have eaten something that doesn't agree with you, or you are nervous, or you got panics, or you're just full of gunk. Now let's get rid of that gunkness, yeah? Okay, constipation. Now when you're sitting on the toilet seat, you got a loo paper, you got everything. You sit up straight. The throne, think of the throne, put on a crown. You should actually have something that I should make for you, for your head. You should actually make something while you're at home for your head and just adorn yourself. So when you sit on the crown, on the throne, wearing your crown, comes out. Eh? But this is the beginning. So constipation. Think of all the words that end with shin and just go through that. Just relax in, breathing, and think. Revolution, nation, fluctuation, flirtation. Hey, you're getting somewhere. This is getting fun. Yeah, just keep. You may move your body around. Just keep your asshole intact in the hole. Connected. But then everything else can just go. And then say, stop. Think. Come on, man. If I can spell constipation, I can get shit out of me, yeah? Let's do this. So what happens? Shit is in there. It's got no shin. Shit got no shin. Shit gotta go. Shit gotta get out. Shit gotta go and find shin. So you sit back and communicate with cock inside and shit inside and say, it is time for you to exit and find your own shin. That's all there is to it. Love you, bye. Twa twa.